it's Mackenzie and welcome back to my channel Cooking for Health. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make gluten-free, dairy-free, and refined sugar-free chicken pot pie. For this recipe, you will need 1 cooked chicken breast, 2.5 cups of vegetables. I use celery, broccoli, and carrots, but you can use whatever you'd like. 1/3 cup of ghee, 1/3 cup of onion, 1/3 cup of tapioca flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 3/4 cups of chicken broth, 2/3 cups of coconut milk, and last but not least, 2 batches of my gluten-free, dairy-free, and refined sugar-free pie crust. One's for the bottom and one's for the top. I will link the video of the recipe in the description box down below. First, we are going to start off by melting our ghee in a saucepan on medium heat, and then we're going to add in the onions, just stir it around, cooking it for about 2 minutes until they're tender. Next, we're going to add in our tapioca flour, salt, and pepper, and give that a stir until it's all smooth. Now gradually we're going to add in our chicken broth. And now we're going to do the same with our coconut milk and just stir it around, and the mixture should become quite thick. Now we're just going to add in our chicken and vegetables and give that a stir. Now I'm just going and taking it off the heat, and next thing we're going to do is go and pour it into our pie. Now it's time to put on the top. I just like to roll it out on a piece of parchment paper and gently flip it over, and then I go and just press it into place. The nice thing about this pie crust is if you accidentally tear it, you can easily pinch it back together and no one will ever know. And now that it's sealed, I'm just going to take a knife and cut some slits in it to allow the steam to escape when it cooks. And now we're just going to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes until the pie is golden brown.
Looks great, Mac. One of the best chicken pot pies I've ever had. Great job.
Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you never miss a new video. And don't forget to share this with all of your friends. As per usual, you can find the recipes in the description box down below. And don't forget to comment to give me suggestions for future videos. See you next time. Bye!